So we are in Tokyo, Japan, celebrating my wife's birthday. Just living up the life, wholesaling while we're in Japan. Alright, so we are still in Tokyo, Japan. We are finishing up our trip. Right now we're fishing in the middle of downtown Tokyo, fishing for bass. So that's just the benefit of being able to wholesale, the benefit of this business. We can wholesale, we can work this business anywhere in the country. I don't have to be tied down to a desk. I don't have to be in a certain area. I can be anywhere as long as I have a good internet connection and a laptop and a cell phone. But just to recap, we did close a $15,000 deal earlier this week. We had some more in the pipeline. We had almost like 40,000 in the pipeline, but some of those deals didn't go through. They may go through in January, so we might start off the year pretty good, but that's just a part of the business. That's why you got to stay marketing. You got to stay stay going at it, stay getting at it. A lot of people slow down in December, and that's one of the best times to market. A lot of people are spending time with their family and everything, but we're still getting at it. We take 2 days off, Christmas Eve, and also New Year's Day, but man, we stay marketing all the way through to the new year. So, but the thing I wanted to focus on is that I couldn't do none of this without my team. Once I built out a team, at first it was just me and my mom doing this business, and now it's me, my mom, have an acquisitions manager, 2 driving for dollars ladies, and 2 of my VAs. And everybody works well together, and that helps us be able to have a solid, stable team. We're very efficient. We stay in contact with each other. We talk through GroupMe, so it's like a big family almost. So I'm super happy and super blessed to have those people on my team. So, but without them, I couldn't come here. I couldn't give them some of the power that I had, or responsibilities that I had. I couldn't give that to them if I didn't have my team. I'd have to do everything, but I still would be able to wholesale. I just wouldn't be able to relax more while I'm here. So I'm thankful for my team. That's one thing you want to do once you get into this wholesaling, is build you out a team, so you don't have to be so you won't have a high-paying job. You can actually be a business owner, and that's what everybody strives to do. But yeah, we had a good year. Very thankful for this year. I thank God for what He's blessed us with this year. It started out rough, but we finished strong. And the one thing I want to touch on too is that earlier this year, I had a different view of money. I was just always looking at money as in a scarcity type of way. You got one? Oh, okay. But yeah, I was thinking about money in a scarcity type of way. Thinking that where's my next paycheck going to come from? But once I started tapping in more with God and understanding how He wants us to look at money, how He wants us to be more of a giver, that's when my whole mindset changed. And then from that point on, I started not worrying about money, and then money just started coming, start coming more and more. So we need to change our mindset about how we think about money. It's plenty of it. God provides plenty of it, and like He's told us, He's blessed our hands. So wherever we put our hands in, He's going to provide for us. So once you become more of a giver and someone who looks to give to the next person instead of trying to hold on to all your money, then you'll start seeing more money come your way. But so I'm thankful for everything. Looking to have a great year next year. And if you guys are looking to get into this wholesaling, which I encourage everybody to do, get into this wholesaling. I have an ebook. Go to checksoverfear.com. Go download the ebook. This business is easy to do, but you have to be consistent. You have to put in the work. And I provided all the knowledge that you need step by step to get you into wholesaling, get you some deals, and then you can live the life that you want to live. Just go to checksoverfear.com. Go ahead and get started now. The new year's coming up. Don't keep being in that same situation that you was in before. Change the situation for the better of you, your family, everybody around you. So go to Check Silver Fear, download the ebook, and I hope everybody have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. God bless you guys. Let's get after it.